Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just essentially a day and a little bit of yesterday broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I talked about this one yesterday because late in the day, the price, or I should say not only the price, but the volume started to come to life, and then the price came to life, and then it was just a big question of, is this the start of something bigger? And apparently it was the start of something bigger because the price got that much bigger today and accomplished a lot of nice things from a technical perspective. The main thing being in regards to this pink line right here, which is the 200 period simple moving average. If you have even just a very basic, very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Well, it did act as resistance today, but the price also was able to break up above it right there. And then as the rule in charting goes, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And you can see that right there. Did a great job of acting as support so far. So going forward, staying up above that pink line would definitely be the best case scenario. But don't get me wrong, in the event the price does fall below the pink line, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined. Taking a step back and looking at things from more of a big picture grand scheme of things, that is where that purple line now comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. And simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then as far as the current move is concerned, the bulls are in full control of it. So again, as that purple line goes upwards, as long as the price stays above it, bulls are in full control of the current move. And of course, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. And next key overall level, I'm not saying the price, needs to break above it tomorrow or anything like that, but that's going to be right up there at 24 cents. If you look back here on the history of the chart, you can see quite a bit of past history of the bulls struggling to get up above it. So that'll be public enemy number one. All in all, though, no doubt about it, another very nice move today. And as long as the price can keep on building higher bases, it'll be interesting to see where this chart goes. Let's see, tomorrow is Friday, so I guess one more day left this week. So let's see how this one closes out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.